So this is a common problem. Does anybody relate to this? I know English but I can't speak. किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं इंग्लिश समझ सकता हूँ, समझ सकती हूँ, बट बोलने में हेजिटेशन होता है? जो लोग नहीं उठा रहे ये भी उनका हेजिटेशन ही है. So it's same thing. We all have this problem, and that's why I say I don't think it's a language problem. It's a mindset problem. मतलब आप सब कॉलेज में हो, आप सब इतने पढ़े लिखे तो हो ना कि you can understand basic stuff. Friends TV series देखने के टाइम पे you can understand stuff. But right, see, yes. So people are connecting, and friends में they speak fast English, fluent English, global accent. But we understand. But if I talk to you, you'll say, oh sorry, I'm not comfortable. I'll do it later. पहले मैं कोई क्लास ज्वाइन कर लूँ फिर मैं इंग्लिश बोलूँगी. You feel like some class will teach you English or confidence. It's not going to happen. It's like पहले मैं स्विमिंग सीख लूँ फिर पानी में जाऊँगी. It doesn't work that way. Next, please.